So this is what happens if you don't have a toe guard. That's why I have this one on this foot, because it protects it. I need to put one on this toe too.
5, 4, 3, 2, let's roll. This is how we roll. This is how we roll. This is how we roll. Let's roll.
Yeah! Woohoo! Yippee! What's up, Planet Roller Skaters? Indy Jamie Jones here with Pigeon.
Hey!
And today we are taking Maple out on a little skate. We're gonna go to Target. What are we going to Target for again?
I need baby butt wipes.
So we have some errands to run, and we decided why not make a skate out of it and also teach you guys how to fall in the process. Woo! How to fall safely.
Safely.
So we've been asked how to fall a lot, and I'm really excited to finally give you guys this info because I think it'll really make skating a lot more fun in the beginning and not so painful. Keep your booty safe. So I'm all geared up. I have on wrist guards, my elbow pads, my knee pads. This is the Smith Scabs pad set that we sell online, and I love it because one, it's really cute. I love the leopard print. And then it's so affordable. If you're a beginner skater, for a pack of like all three, it's only what, like $45, I think?
Yeah.
$44.95. So a lot of times if you're getting knee pads, like the knee pads alone will cost like $40. So for just kind of a beginner setup, I think these are perfect. So if you've skated much before, or if you taught yourself how to skate, I'm sure a few of you guys have experienced the big butt slam. That's what I call it, is the butt slam. Do you have a name for it?
Butt slam sounds good.
So it's whenever you like slip backwards and you fall really hard on your butt, and I think it's totally avoidable. There are other ways that you could fall and get in the habit of falling that are going to be way less painful than that. So our goal with this lesson is to like eliminate that fall from your life completely. So the secret is to actually take a knee or fall forward. So that's why I have my knee pads on today, and that's why I think when you're learning and first putting on skates, it's really helpful to wear all of your safety gear. And if anything, it just gives you more confidence to be comfortable and actually try things and not be so scared. So, got the knee pads on. What?
There's a dinosaur.
What is it?
It's a little dinosaur figurine. It like calls to us.
It's just on the ground.
Yeah. In our household, dinosaurs are one of our favorites.
So first you're gonna start not moving. So you're gonna practice getting down. So you're gonna practice sitting on the ground and standing up, and then sitting down again. And then we're going to practice rolling forward a little bit. And then we're gonna practice going down the street and actually like taking a knee to stop. Another reason I love taking a knee is that you could do it anywhere. So if you ever feel out of control, like you're going too fast down a hill, you can just put your knee down. You don't have to panic, you know?
With a knee pad on.
Yeah, with a knee pad on, exactly. Eventually, if you are a more advanced skater, I recommend learning how to fall without your knee pads. That's something we'll cover later. But it's just better habit in general to like pick a side or tuck and roll once you're more advanced. But right now, while you're first learning, taking a knee is a really comfortable move to have in your arsenal. Yeah, practicing in the grass is a great idea too.
Yeah.
All right, so first I'm going to practice in the grass. Going down to the ground, coming back up. Maybe try my other foot. Come back up. Maybe try stepping forward a little bit more. And then I'm going to start practicing on the concrete. So again, first I'm going to do it in place. And see, I'm lowering myself down. I'm not just sticking my foot out and slamming all the way down to my knee. I'm actually absorbing as low as I can go and then going to my knee. So absorbing, going to my knee. Now I'm going to add a little roll. I'm going to roll forward and go down to my knee. This is when you're going to want to start using toe guards. It'll keep your skates nice and pretty. So I roll forwards, I get low. And if you just do this when you're first starting, when you're very first learning how to roll forwards, it's going to build that muscle memory that whenever you do get the wobbles, so you go whoa, whoa, you're going to drop it low, and then knee. Building those good habits, you know? All right, so if I'm rolling going forwards. I need you to fall. Take a knee. So if you saw just then, my toe kind of dragged. That's why people wear toe guards like this. Because if you're falling a lot on your knee like that, pretty soon your skates will start ripping. I need to put one on this toe. So a toe guard will just help keep your skate nice and fresh. Keep those skates looking good, you know? So really, as a beginner, it's that simple. You just learn how to take a knee and get really good at absorbing before you go all the way to the ground. So the first step is if you feel whoa, 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 and you get that panic, I always say whoa, whoa, drop it low. So I got the wobbles, drop it low, and then if you're still out of control, you can take a knee. So whoa, whoa, drop it low, all the way down if you need to. But usually, just dropping it low will save you from falling. So it's pretty neat. My goal is to teach everybody how to skate and never have any of you guys bust your butt and not want to do it again. Because that's a real bummer.
Bummer.
What's the name of this neighborhood?
California Heights.
California Heights. Oh,
Oh.
there's Target. That is really close. What's she doing?
She's sleeping.
She's sleeping. What a good baby. So we did bring shoes to wear, but then we just kind of came in the door and we were looking for somewhere to sit down. There wasn't really anywhere to sit down and take off our skates. So we're just very respectfully, slowly rolling until somebody asks us to stop. We were gonna take them off, but we just kept going, and that was a successful trip to Target. As we were walking out, the woman at the door very kindly said, you know, next time you need to put some shoes on. So we said, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We're sorry and thank you.
Yeah. So, you know, I don't ever want to seem like entitled or anything, but I feel like as long as you're really respectful to people in the store, then, you know, why not? Why not roller skate inside big box places? Like, it's made for it. It's so much more fun.
Try it, and if they say no, then put your shoes on.
Yeah. Just be ready to take off the skates, just in case.
Oh, those girls in the exit of Target, they asked, "Are you guys Moxie girls?" I was like, "Yeah," and she's like, "Oh my god!" And she told her friend, "I told you."
Oh, that's fun. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this episode of Planet Roller Skate. Thank you, Pigeon, for taking us on an adventure, and Baby Maple for being so chill. Any advice you want to offer to somebody running errands with a kid?
Someone told me this and it makes sense. Just don't do more than 3 things. You know? 3 things or less so the baby doesn't get cranky.
There you go. Good advice.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to get any gear you need on planetrollerskate.shop. Comment, subscribe, do all those things, and until next time, later, skaters!